In this video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the Woojer Strap Edge. So this is a wearable strap that gives you haptic feedback when you're playing music, watching movies, or you're playing games. Inside of the box, you'll find the Woojer Strap Edge, a audio cable and a USB-C charging cable, and a carrying pouch. On the front of the device, you'll see 4 buttons. The top and the bottom buttons are to control the sensitivity of the haptic feedback. The left and right button is to control the volume. And on the top is the power button. On the bottom, you'll find the headphone jack, the USB-C charging port, and another audio port that is used to connect it to your PC or gaming console. Alright, so now let's go ahead and set up the Woojer Strap Edge. There are multiple ways to put this on. You can put it across your chest, you can put it on your hip, or you can put it across your chest, or you can even put it on your back. So there's no wrong way, well there's a wrong way to put it on, but ultimately it's all about what makes you comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and put it across my chest, but you can try it in any way you want and whatever way is comfortable for you. So as you can see, there's a little clip right here. You just snap it into place, and then to tighten it, you got this strap right here. I can go ahead and make it tighter, just because I don't want it to fall off while I'm doing the video. And yeah, there it is. That's all it is to put it on. So before we turn this on and pair it with my phone, it's worth noting that you need wired headphones. You could use Bluetooth headphones, but that's another process. And I did that last night. I paired it with wireless headphones, and this was connected to my phone wirelessly, but I'm gonna talk about that later on. On the bottom of the device, you're gonna connect your headphones to where it has a little icon of the headphone jack. So to connect the Woojer Strap Edge to your PC, to your phone, or to a gaming console, you have 2 options. One is Bluetooth. You're just gonna go ahead and turn on the power button for 3 seconds until you hear Bluetooth activated. And then on your device, again, your PC or your phone, you'll go into your Bluetooth settings and then pair it like you normally would. Once you pair it with Bluetooth, then you're pretty much ready to go. But just make sure that the volume on your PC or your phone or your console is on high volume, because you wanna be able to control the volume on the strap and not on your PC. And the second way to connect your strap to your PC is with the audio cable. If you don't mind having an extra wire, that's one way to do it, but I'm pretty sure most people are going to prefer to use Bluetooth instead. So I'm going to go ahead and switch it to the side, because I think putting it on the side is a little bit more comfortable. Overall, I like the material. It is stretchy, it is flexible, it is, I wouldn't say too soft, but it feels pretty good. So right now, the Woojer Strap Edge is connected to my laptop with Bluetooth, and my headphones are connected to it with the headphone jack. So I figured this might be the best way for you to get an idea of how it feels to wear the Woojer Strap Edge. Let's go ahead and hit play, and you're gonna be able to hear the vibrations that are coming from the back of the strap. And I think I have it on high. So you're also gonna be able to hear the audio from the headphones, a little bit of it. So hopefully you heard some of that vibration. I had to hold it down in place because I had it on high and the vibrations was pulling it away from the desk and it was about to fall. So when you put it on high, it gets a little bit overwhelming. So my recommendation is to put it on a little bit low, a little bit medium. The haptic feedback on this device is not like on the PS4 controller or the PS5 controller, where it only reacts to certain things like your weapons or if you're taking damage. The Woojer strap will react to almost any sound. So music, talking, anytime there's a sound, this will vibrate. And that is why I recommend putting it on low, because you only really want the haptic feedback when something big is happening, an explosion or an attack, or if you're taking damage. But either way, it is still a really cool experience. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with my Oculus Quest 2. Connecting the strap to the Quest 2 is the same process as connecting it to your phone. All you gotta do is put the strap in parry mode and then go to the Bluetooth settings in the Quest and connect. And then just connect your wired headphones. As you can imagine, using the strap with VR is a perfect match, especially with music games like Beat Saber. I don't want to use the word immersed too many times in this video, but that's the perfect word to describe it. And I can tell I was fully immersed in the gameplay, because when I took off the headset, when I took off the strap, it takes your brain a few seconds to adjust, and it's a good feeling. But like after 30 minutes, you kind of get used to having that vibration, and that kind of feels normal to you. So then when you take it away, it feels a little bit weird, but it's a really cool experience overall. So as I was playing Beat Saber, this wire kept getting in the way, and I was like, I wish I could do something about it. And then I realized, oh, my wire already has the Velcro strap. So if you have a Velcro strap, definitely use it to tie up the audio cable so that you're not hitting the wire while you're playing. So now I'm going to show you how to use the Woojer Strap completely wireless, so you won't have to deal with this. Okay, so like I said before, there is a way to use your wireless headphones and the Woojer Strap at the same time with no audio cable in the middle. But since this video has a deadline, I haven't figured out how to do it on Windows or on the Oculus Quest, but I figured out how to do it on Samsung devices. All you gotta do is connect the Woojer Strap and your headphones to your device like normally with Bluetooth, and then you're gonna go into your music settings and you're gonna click on Music Share, and you're gonna go ahead and enable that. That is gonna allow you to listen to audio from your headphones, and it's gonna give your Woojer Strap the audio also. So you're gonna be able to get the haptic feedback on the strap, and you're gonna get surround sound audio from your headphones. And personally, I think that's the best way to use this, especially if you're working out or if you're playing VR. You don't want to have that audio cable in the way, and it only took a few minutes to set up. So I think that you can do it with almost any device, any new device, but you're gonna have to look into that. So I've been using the Woojer Strap Edge for the past few days, but I've actually been using the Woojer Strap for a couple of years, and this is the first generation model right here. As you can already tell, this one is significantly, well, just a little bit bigger. It definitely feels a little bit heavier compared to this one. This one, when I have it on, I kind of forget that it's on me. This one, you kind of notice that. You can't ignore this one. This one is a little bit more heavy. You got this audio cable sticking out. I still like this one, don't get me wrong. I gave it a good review, and I would still use it, but yeah, this one is way better. And also, this one is more comfortable than this one. Now that I'm feeling the material, this one feels a little bit hard. I mean, you can kind of tell. It's not as flexible. Whereas over here, you can see, I can stretch it, I can make it tighter over here. Or this one also you can make it tighter. But you can see this one is more flexible, more lightweight. But I'm still keeping this one, and I'm still gonna use it once in a while. So if you're someone who likes to work out with music, or you want an extra level of immersion when you're gaming or when you're watching movies, this is definitely worth looking into. It's not a must-have for everybody because it is a little bit extra, but this is exactly the type of tech that I love, and I like that they made it more smaller, more comfortable. I even use it when I'm working from home, when I listen to music and I'm answering emails. I have this in the background, and it kind of helps me forget about what's around me. It helps me like focus on the music and focus on what my task is. But again, I like to keep it on low because when you put it on high, as I said before, the vibration is a little bit overwhelming. You don't want it to vibrate all the time, otherwise it's just gonna be like your phone, always vibrating. But yeah, it definitely makes playing games, watching movies, or listening to music, it makes it just a little bit better, and I think it's worth it just for that. So that is it for my review on the Woojer Strap Edge. There is a product link in the video description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below.